Stop.
Imagine this. You finish a great meal with friends, but then the waiter brings the heavy bill. You point at the paper and say, "We go half and half?"
Silence covers the table. Everyone just stares at you while you pretend to check your phone. It is the longest 10 seconds of your entire life.
Hello, friends. Are you ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster.
Today, we are saving you from the restaurant bill nightmare. We will teach you 3 golden phrases. Phrase 1, split the bill, which means sharing the cost.
Split the bill. So we all pay our own part, right?
Exactly. Phrase 2, it's on me. This means you will pay for everything yourself.
It's on me. I really love it when you say this to me, Tina.
Keep dreaming, Leo. Finally, phrase 3, get the next one. This means you promise to pay the next time.
Get the next one. This sounds very polite and smart.
It is. Now, make sure you stick around until the very end. Leo will share how he accidentally insulted his boss using one of these phrases.
Please don't remind me. I wanted to disappear into the floor because it was the worst dinner of my life.
We can't wait to hear it. But first, let's visit our awkward theater. Picture this. Leo is sharing a taxi with a new foreign friend.
Wow, what a beautiful city. Where are you from?
Oh no, Leo. That just made it worse. You missed a word. It should be, where are you from?
Oops. So my friend answers me, and then the taxi driver asks for $20. I look at my friend and think, how to say it?
Let me stop you right there. You just made another classic mistake. It should be, how do you say it?
Okay, how do you say it? I want to tell my friend we pay the driver together. So I say, my English is poor. We give money together.
Stop saying your English is poor. Say, I'm still working on my English, and giving money together sounds like a dangerous bank robbery.
My friend looks very scared. He throws a $20 bill at the driver and runs away fast. I never saw him again.
Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the perfect fix for you today. We will show you the exact words to use so you never feel awkward again. All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes.
I am ready. No more 50-50 bank robberies. I want to learn the elegant way.
Scene 1. You are at a trendy cafe with a friend, listening to the noisy coffee machine. You ordered iced lattes, and the bill arrives at exactly $30.
Okay, I look at my friend. I say, we split the bill?
Almost, but that sounds a bit like a strict order. It is better to use it as a polite suggestion, like, shall we split the bill?
Oh, like a polite question. Got it. So I can just say, do you want to split the bill?
Exactly. It sounds very natural and friendly. You pay $15 and she pays $15.
That is so easy to remember. Split the bill. No more doing awkward math at the table.
That works perfectly for friends. But what if the person across the table is your angry boss? Let's see.
Wait, I don't want to pay for my angry boss. He earns much more money than I do.
Just pretend, Leo. Scene 2 takes place with soft jazz music playing. You are having dinner with an important client, so you decide to pay.
I know this one. I take the bill from the waiter. I stand up and shout, I pay you.
Please don't shout in a fancy restaurant, and never say, I pay you. It sounds like you are buying the person, not the dinner.
Oops, my bad. So you mean I should use our second phrase here?
Yes, you just smile warmly at them, you take the bill, and confidently say, it's on me.
It's on me. Wait, does it mean the food fell on my shirt?
No, Leo. It means the cost of the meal is your responsibility. You are treating them to the dinner.
Got it. So I just smile, put my card down, and say, it's on me.
Perfect. It sounds generous and very professional. The client will be impressed with your good manners.
What if the bill is $300? Can I run to the bathroom and escape?
You cannot run away through the bathroom window. Just make sure you check the menu prices first. Hold on. The next phrase is a secret weapon. Native speakers use it often to save friendships.
A secret weapon? Tell me right now. I need all the secret weapons I can get.
Scene 3 happens on a noisy street. You go out for burgers, but your friend quickly grabs the bill. He looks at you and says, "It's on me."
I say thank you loudly and run outside. Free food is definitely the best thing ever.
You are a terrible friend, Leo. You should be polite and offer to pay next time.
Oh, I see. I use the third phrase to show thanks. I just say, I get the next one?
Close, but you should say, "I'll get the next one." You need to use the future tense here.
Got it. So I say, thank you so much. I'll get the next one.
Yes, it shows you truly appreciate their kindness, and it promises another fun meeting in the future.
I'll get the next one. This phrase is brilliant. I get a delicious free meal today.
But you actually have to pay next time. You can't just run away again.
I will just pretend to forget my wallet next time. I am a genius.
Now, speaking of paying for meals, you promised us a juicy story. What happened with your boss?
It was late last year. My boss took our team to a fancy steakhouse for dinner.
A steakhouse? That sounds wonderful, but very expensive. Did he ask everyone to pay?
No! At the end, the waiter brought the heavy bill. My boss took out his shiny gold card.
That is completely normal. He is the manager. What did you do to ruin it?
I wanted to be polite in front of everyone. I wanted to use my new English phrase. I wanted to say, I'll get the next one.
Oh no, I can feel the absolute disaster coming. What did you actually say to him?
I stood up proudly and pointed at my boss. I said loudly, "You get the next one."
You told your boss to pay for the next meal too? In front of everyone?
Yes! The whole crowded table went completely silent. My boss just stared at me with big eyes.
He must have thought you were so greedy. Did he say anything back to you?
He slowly put his gold card down. He said, "I am paying for this one. Do I buy your breakfast tomorrow too?"
That is so embarrassing. You used the perfectly right words, but to the completely wrong person.
I know it. I just wanted to hide under the large wooden table. I still feel so awkward.
Remember the awkward moment from the start? Let's watch Leo do it right this time. Back to the taxi.
Wow, what a beautiful city. Where are you from?
Perfect start. Now, the taxi stops and the driver asks for $20.
I look at my friend. I say, "Shall we split the bill?"
Much better. But wait, your friend is very generous today. He stops you and says, "It's on me."
I smile warmly. I say, "Thank you so much. I'll get the next one."
Excellent. See? No one ran away this time.
I feel like a native speaker now. And I got a free taxi ride.
You never change, Leo. Now, let's do a quick review of today's golden phrases. I will say the phrase, and Leo will make a quick sentence.
I am ready. Hit me.
Phrase 1. Split the bill.
Let's split the bill for this delicious pizza.
Good. Phrase 2. It's on me.
Put your wallet away. This coffee is on me.
Nice one. Phrase 3. Get the next one.
Thank you for the movie tickets. I'll get the next one.
Perfect job, Leo. And perfect job to all our listeners, too. Now it is your turn to practice.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one. Try making a sentence about your own dinner experience.
I will personally reply to the funniest comments.
Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Watch out for angry bosses.